this video, let us learn about the new OAC Marimekko plugin. Marimekko chart is a combination of a 100% stacked column chart and a 100% stacked bar chart. It is like a tree map with dimensional values represented by the length and width of each rectangle. The area of the rectangles are proportional to the value of the metric. I want to measure the sales value and the sales contribution of the customer segment to the overall sales. I am also interested to know the contribution of the product categories to the overall sales. So let me select sales, product category and customer segment. Let me change it to a 100% stacked bar chart. This whiz helps me to identify the sales contribution of the product categories to the customer segment sales, but I don't know the sales contribution of the customer segments to the overall sales. Let me try to solve this problem using a stacked bar chart. I can read the sales value for each of the segments, but I still cannot figure out the percentage contribution of the segments to the overall sales. It is difficult to measure the sales contribution for any of the product categories. Let us see if we can achieve this using a tree map. Though the box sizes give us a fair idea about the sales performance of the segments, but still the exact sale contribution percentage of the segments or the categories are not known. This is where the OAC Marimekko chart adds value. First, you will have to download the Marimekko chart from the Oracle Analytics extensions library. Now you can import the downloaded plugin by clicking on console, click on extensions and upload the plugin here. After uploading, the plugin would be available in all your workbooks within the custom visualizations. Let me drag the Marimekko plugin into the canvas. I will select sales as my values, product categories, customer segment. Now I can easily infer that the corporate segment contributes to the highest sales with a value of 3 millions and contributing to 36% of the total sales. On the other hand, a small business contributes to only 19% of the total sales with a value of 1.6 million. Drilling down, the technology product category within the corporate segment contributes to 45% of the total corporate sales. The Marimekko chart also comes up with multiple properties like percent off, legends, value and display label. On selecting total percent, I get the percentage contribution to the overall sales. For example, the technology product category within the corporate segment contributes to 16% of the total sales, while the office supplies product category in the consumer segment contributes to only 5% of the overall sales. You can either hide or unhide the legends. If required, you can also get the exact values displayed on the chart. Enabling the display label property displays the product categories. The OAC Marimekko chart also comes up with various interaction abilities. On selecting furniture product category and consumer customer segment, the same gets highlighted here. Similarly, on selecting technology product category and corporate segment, the same gets highlighted on the other viz. Thanks for watching.